cell, transported to locations within the cell where they are needed, or sent on to the Golgi apparatus for further processing. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains most of the cell's genetic material. The interior of the nucleus does not contain any membrane-bound organelles or compartments. Its contents are non-uniform and consists of a number of subnuclear bodies like the nucleolus. The genetic material in the nucleus is organized as multiple linear DNA molecules, combined with a variety of proteins to form chromosomes. The genes within these chromosomes are the cell's nuclear genome. The function of the nucleus is to maintain the integrity of these genes and to control the activities of the cell by regulating gene expression. The nucleus can therefore be considered the control center of the cell. Nuclear pores are hollow protein structures that penetrate the nuclear membrane and act as doorways between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. They allow small molecules and ions to freely pass into or out of the nucleus, but also may allow larger proteins to enter the nucleus from the cytoplasm if the proteins have special sequences, or tags, that indicate they belong in the nucleus. In the same way as proteins are allowed to enter, RNA transcribed in the nucleus and proteins destined to enter the cytoplasm have export sequences that tag them for release through the nuclear pores. Mitochondria are the power plants of the cell. They convert sugar into ATP and enzymes related to cell metabolism. Mitochondria are unusual in that they are surrounded by two membranes and contain their own independent genome. They also can divide independently of the cell in which they reside, meaning that mitochondrial replication is not tied to cell division. The number of mitochondria found in a cell varies by the type of cell. The more energy a cell needs, the more mitochondria it will have. Many cells contain only one mitochondria, while others may contain as many as several thousand. Mitochondria are found in both plant and animal cells. The cytoplasm is a semi-fluid, gelatin-like substance that surrounds the organelles inside the cell. It acts to cushion, protect, and support the organelles, and fills all the empty space with the cell membrane not occupied by organelles or other structures. Although the cytoplasm is made up mostly of water, its structure and properties are not fully understood. There are multiple levels of organization within the cytoplasm, including concentration gradients of ions and complexes of metabolic enzymes. The concentrations of ions such as sodium and potassium are different in the cytoplasm than in the extracellular fluid. These differences in ion levels are important in processes such as osmoregulation and cell signaling.